All right, Kristen, the queen, or as I call you, the goat of real estate. Tell me, okay, I'm regular, everyday, normal person, not the goat of real estate, and I just want to find out my home value. So I'm gonna check my Zestimate. What am I doing?
Yeah, so many people start their real estate journey into selling their house or buying a house by checking the Zestimate. They go to Zillow.com, they type in the address, it predicts the value. So do you know how that value is predicted?
Tell me more.
Okay, I will. So they use the aggregated price per square foot area. They're looking at recent sales, same types of things that a real estate agent would do, but without a human set of eyes. So when you have the best house in the neighborhood or the worst house in the neighborhood, I don't know, you finished your basement, you've added a swimming pool, you've done noodles of upgrades inside and outside, and your house is going to be more than the average. That's something that the Zestimate tends to miss, right? Or if all those good houses sell and you have the worst house, maybe you're mispositioned by being too high on the Zestimate.
You recently had this experience. You took a listing for $925,000. The Zestimate, I don't know what the Zestimate is, but it's not $925,000 because she put how much in value into the house?
Over $300,000 in upgrades after the bill.
$300,000. Was Zillow there to know that?
No.
No, Zillow wasn't, right? So if you want a true accurate value on a property, the best way to get that is find a competent realtor that really knows that market to come in and give you a true assessment of it. And if you need something for a bank or for an estate sale or something like that, reach out to your local competent realtor and ask them to connect with an appraiser that they trust, right? Because that appraisal is what you would actually need to go. So if I hear you correctly, don't go on the different random websites that just sell you as a lead. Connect with someone who cares about that relationship to find out and truly understand it. And one of the things I always ask people is like, well, when's the last time Zillow was at your house? Right? And the answer is never. They're just using aggregated data and multiplying it like you explained. So if you want more information about this or local market stats or real estate related terms, go ahead and subscribe, check out our channel. You'll find a treasure trove of information just like this video. Thank you.